Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys a few ways on how you can animate stickers on the CapCut PC app. For instance, we have this sticker right here. I'm just going to scale it down. You're just going to basically select animation, and you have like an in animation like that, an out animation, and you can also add in like a loop animation. For instance, you want it to spin. But for instance, okay, that's the out one, sorry. And you also have like this loop animation. As you can see, there's like a rotation one. You can adjust the speed here. If you want it slower, move it to the right. If you want it super slow, make the duration super long of the stickers. And you also have like flip, jump, pulse, flash. There's just a lot of options. If you want to like move it yourself, I suggest right clicking it and selecting the create compound clip, making your animation the animation yourself. For instance, you want to put it here, and then like kind of here you're going to move it to the right side, and you're going to rotate it a few times. It's going to like rotate it 3 times, I guess, and you'll have your own like animation. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!